Potatoes are often seen as unhealthy due to their high carbohydrate content, but they actually have some nutritional benefits. They provide protein, fiber, B vitamins, and potassium. However, the problem lies in how they are prepared and consumed. Processed forms like chips and fries add unhealthy fats and strip away nutrients. Research shows that fried potatoes can be linked to higher risks of anxiety and depression, while boiled potatoes are a healthier option. Incorporating potatoes into a balanced diet can have positive effects on overall health. For example, a study found that eating non-fried potatoes improved diet quality and cardiovascular health. Additionally, the increased dietary potassium from baked or boiled potatoes can help lower blood pressure. To enjoy the healthier side of potatoes, there are various recipes that showcase their versatility, such as Number 1. Simple herb roasted potatoes and veggies. Roasted vegetables with potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and onion for extra flavor and nutrients. Number 2. Baked garlic-parm fries. Oven-baked fries with olive oil and Parmesan cheese for a healthier alternative to deep-fried fries. Number 3. Vegan potato-leek soup. Plant-based soup with potatoes and leeks, good for heart health and certain cancers. Number 4. Herbed potato salad. Uses olive oil instead of mayo for healthy fats and resistant starch for fewer calories. Number 5. Veggie-packed baked potato. Baked potato with spinach salad for extra fiber and iron. Number 6. Broccoli pesto mashed potatoes. Mashed Yukon Gold potatoes with broccoli and pesto for extra vitamins and flavor. Number 7. Healthy potato skin bites. Potato skins with cheese as a condiment and mushrooms for a savory taste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.